Dear students, in our 10th week, we are going to start the stairs as our new subject, and we are going to do some exercises as well. But first, let's check the solution of the last week's homework. In that homework, I asked you to first prepare a section model for the building of our previous exercise, exercise 22nd. And I gave you a drawing, and you can either print it and cut the pieces and use them as the template to cut the necessary pieces of the model, or you can prefer a laser cut. You need to download this file, a zip file, and there appears three files, one PDF, two AutoCAD drawings. And at the end, this is what you will get if you combine all the pieces correctly. And in the second part, I asked you to draw BP section and west elevation of this building by using your usual drawing tools. However, I didn't want you to redraw the plan, and you can just easily cut the plan of your 22nd exercise and glue it on the paper with the new header for your homework, and draw the BP section here and west elevation here. So let's check how we can do that. In fact, when you do the model, this is how the BP section will appear. This is the BP section, and you can use your model while you're doing the drawing. And this is what we are going to draw. First, we need to draw the cut pieces, cut surfaces, and then we are going to look forward and see some other surfaces and draw them. So this is how we place our plan on our paper, so that we can transfer every required width here on this part of the paper. However, in order to do that correctly, we need our AA section as well. This is a trick that we can use. So let's start doing it. First, I need to draw all the cut pieces here, cut surfaces, and I know that this section line is in fact a vertical cutting plane. This plane here. So I can start by transferring to the neighbor building, the neighbor garden, the garden wall, and the this height here, the height of the ground floor here, which I can transfer it from the AA section, or I can put my ruler over the AA section and just remember it, measure it, and just remember the height. And I can keep going again, the garden part, the garden wall, and other neighbor building. And after that, I can do the walls, parapet walls beneath the windows. And from last year's lecture, I think you remember that the height of the parapet wall was 90 centimeters. So I can transfer it from here, and these are the width of the walls. And after that, after the parapet wall, the window starts, and it raises till the 2 meter 10 centimeter height here. And after that, as we can see here, the wall over the window continues to rise, and it forms the roof parapet this time. This is important. I need to draw the section line over AA section so that it will be easy for me to determine the height of the wall, the parapet, roof parapet wall. Because as you can see here, if you change the position of the BB section, the section line, the height of the wall will change. So this is important. I need to transfer it from AA section, and that's the only way to do that. Otherwise, it will be wrong. So both the walls are the same. So I draw the walls up till here. And after that, I can transfer the section of the roof. Again, I need to use the intersection of this BB section line and the roof on the AA section. That's the only way to do this. I transfer it, and between the two walls, a section of the roof appears, and these are the things that are cut with this vertical section. I draw everything that has been cut. So now I can draw the other surfaces which I see. Here, as you can see on this projection, I can see the wall behind the glass surfaces here, two wall surfaces. And this time I need to use middle darkness, middle thickness line type, because now I move to the things that are seen. And I need to leave those tiny gaps to indicate there's this distance difference between the cut surface of the glass and the wall surface at the back. And I can again use the height from AA section. And I need to draw the seen surface of this roof because it continues to raise after the cut surface till the ridge line. So this is what I need to transfer. This is the height of the ridge line. And by using my middle thickness, middle darkness line weight, I can draw the ridge line, and I can draw these vertical lines to indicate the slope of the roof. Also, the roof parapets, they continue to rise parallel to the roof surface till this highest point, and I can transfer it from the AA section again, as you can see, and by using my middle thickness, middle darkness line weight, I can draw the seen surfaces like that. After that, I can move a little further, which where I can see the indoor surface, inside surface of this wall, the door and the window. Again, when I look forward, the intersection here, the roof, sloping roof intersection with the wall, this point, I can transfer it and draw a straight line that indicates the seen intersection here. And when I transfer the upper part of the window, I can draw the window here, this one here, and the door. And as you can remember in the exercise, we preferred this type of openings, a sliding door. So this is what I need to do. I need to draw a vertical line to separate the two doors and put those little arrows to indicate that they are opening in either direction. And after that, when I go a little bit further, that's what I see. I see the inside surfaces of these garden walls. The height of the wall comes from here and from the section as well. So I need to draw middle thickness, middle darkness lines to indicate the surface that I see. And the last thing I need to add is that tree. However, because of this neighbor building, I partially see it. And please ignore this. I made a mistake. This tree needs to go like that. Yeah. So when I finish this, when I finish the drawing, now I can add the explanations. As you can remember, I need to write the names of the spaces. I need to show the levels and put the views of people. So this is how I do the level marks, level signs in the section and elevation. As you can remember, this is how it appears in the plan. And I need to do a little triangle and a line to write the numbers in meters. Here, I need to give the upper level of this ground floor. And this is the only thing that I need to place inside the space. And I need to give the level of this garden, level of the window parapet, the upper part of the window, as you can see here, the ridge line, and the highest line of the wall. I shouldn't give the section height here because it can change. I don't need to give it that. It doesn't mean anything. It's just a coincidental line here. This is where I prefer the section. So if I change the position of the section line, the height will change. So I don't need to give it, just the ridge of the roof and the highest part of the roof parapet. Again, in this part, I see the highest part of the roof parapet and the ridge of the roof, the highest part of the window, the upper part of the window parapet, and the garden. I need to give these cut surfaces, the heights of all these cut surfaces here, the heights of all these cut surfaces here, and as you can see, the level sign is mirrored on each side. And that's when I do the hatch to indicate the cut surfaces, that will be all. And for the south elevation, this is how I need to think. I need to imagine that I am taking a section outside of the building and look towards here to see the facade of the building that faces the south direction. Since this is the north direction, this must be the south direction. So this is how I can do it. I can transfer all the width and other dimensions from the plan and heights from my BB section like this. First, I need to start with the things that are cut here. As you can see, the intersection of this red line, which indicates the cutting plane that is placed positioned outside of the building. The sidewalk. First, I need to transfer the height of the sidewalk, and I can take the height of the sidewalk from the BB section because I know that the height of the garden and the height of the sidewalk, the upper level of the sidewalk, they are the same. And then I cut the garden wall. I need to transfer its width and the height from BB section, and then I cut through the garden till here, the other garden wall and the sidewalk and Yıldız Street. These are all the things that are cut here. So I can move on to the things that I see. And as you can see here, I can see the side surface of this terrace, the wall here, and the terrace again. In order to do that, I can use the BB section to transfer the highest point of this wall parapet, roof parapet here. However, in this drawing, the BB section, I cannot see the highest point of these two corners. So I can use my AA section. I can measure the height and transfer it here. And as you can see, this corner comes from the plan. So this is what I need to transfer, the height of this corner. And again, this corner comes from the plan, and I need to transfer this height from AA section. I can either measure it and transfer the distance, or if I have the space, I can glue or fix the AA section here, so it will be easier for me to transfer it with my T-square. Also, the height of the terrace here. And after that, I can transfer the view of the window here, the height from here. And I can, as you can see here, I need to draw the seen parts of the roof, the eaves here. However, the rest of the roof is being blocked by this roof parapet, so I need to do it in dashed lines. Again, I can use my AA section to find the height of the eave and its upper surface, the height of the ridge. I can do it, I can transfer it from my BB section. However, I don't know the lower part here. So again, I need to apply to my AA section and the eave at the back here. And if I move one more step further, that's what I'm going to look at, the inside surface of the wall, garden wall here. So I can draw these middle thickness, middle darkness lines. And again, I see the tree here. And as you can see here and here, the steps appear. So that's what I need to draw. I need to transfer it from my plan and draw the steps. And once I place the people, write the street names and put the levels on each side and do the hatch, it will be finished. And for the level signs, please notice that on this part, I give the height of the wall, the lower height and lower corner of the eave here. Also, it's the upper part of the window, they are the same. The upper part of the window parapet, I forgot, however, I need to do this 0, 0 here as well, plus minus 0 0.00, and the lowest level, which is the upper part of the garden surface. However, I shouldn't give the height of the roof ridge, this point here, because this is something that I cannot see. As you can see here, I indicated it with dashed lines, so I shouldn't give the height of the roof surface. Again, I need to give the height of this wall. I can give the lower level of the eave here. Again, the 0, 0, as you can see, and minus 45 here. I need to do this level thing on each side. So this is the end of the drawing, and this is the south elevation.